Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I thought I would do another vlog, a day in the life. I haven't got any makeup on. I think I'm going to put makeup on in a minute because I'm going to do another YouTube video, and I do prefer put my makeup on because, not because I even think that you all think I don't look nice with makeup on, but it just makes me feel like I'm going to do more. It makes me feel a bit more productive. I don't know why, but it does. So yeah, today is basically a school day. So we're doing we're doing our homeschooling that we've been doing for about a week now. And I think I've cracked the code with it. Well, I think I know. Basically, for the first week, we kind of failed it quite miserably because it was like the actual work wasn't coming through right, and I was printing it off and I was doing all of this. And now she's doing it online, which makes it so much easier. So she's doing it on Word, and she's finding it a little bit more fun. So we're doing that. And got a few little jobs to do around the house. But yeah, I just thought I would vlog my day.
So the day has finally started. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Oh, cat's food.
Are you colouring in?
A boy.
What is it? A bone. Good boy.
It's a dog. Oh, we one bone.
Yeah, another bone.
Oh, two doggies. I'm going to colour dogs.
So you're going to do some colouring in and then you're going to play with some Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Isabella's doing her schoolwork. She's being a good girl today, aren't you?
I am a good boy.
You are a good boy, aren't you?
I'm a good girl every day.
Yeah, you are a good girl every day. I know. But yeah, she's doing the rock stars, which I've spoke about in my vlog before, but this is obviously this is actually part of their work. They have to do 15 minutes of this before they start their work. So she's doing that. It's been about 10 minutes.
Oh.
So she's doing that, and then she's going to get on with maths and then on to English. I like that noise.
Same.
It's quiet.
We collide, we break down, caving in to our doubts, faces filled with sadness. When words are said, we'll regret. I can see the fire that we made just to save us when we try to make up.
So I've decided to sit out in the garden for a little bit because I need a bit of fresh air. I've got makeup on now. Put my makeup on. But yeah, just wanted to sort of catch up with you all and see how you are actually all doing, and if you're keeping well and staying safe. I know it's a bit of a hard time for everybody, but we're all in this together. So yeah, I'm going to show you quickly how long my grass has got, and over the next couple of days I'm going to be mowing the lawn and trying to make this garden a little bit more presentable so that we can sit in it. And I've also got garden furniture that I've had on its way for ages, but it's like not come, and I don't know if it's because of what's going on, but I'm hoping to get that very soon, and then I can have furniture in my garden to sit out in here when it's the summer and stuff. So yeah, here's my grass. So as you can see, my grass is really, really long now. Look at that. So I need to cut that. And over here is where I'm considering putting the garden furniture I've got coming, because I've got like one of them rattan corner things, and I just think there's a ball there, as you do. And I'm just thinking that there would be the best place. So here the kids can sort of run around and do other things. I'm going to try and sort out this garden a bit. And I do really want to put some flowers out here, because I just think it's really nice if you had like a flower bed and things like that. So I might put pots or something. I don't really know what I'm going to do. But there is garden centres that are still delivering, and I'm all about helping out businesses at the moment, especially with everything going on. So yeah, so I'm looking to do my garden very soon, because the weather has been like on and off, but it's been really nice as well. And it's obviously in this sort of situation, it's really nice to have a garden, and I feel really bad for anyone that is in this situation that doesn't have a garden. So yeah, just bearing in mind there is people, if you are one person that has a garden, there's people that don't have one, so just bearing that in mind. I've run out of storage, so sit back down again. But yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead now and change Harrison's bedding because I need to do that. So I'm going to do that and get on with some jobs. You know, Isabella's just having, well, the kids are just having lunch, and then I'm going to get her to do her English work because she's done her maths work this morning. Then now it's lunch, and then we're going to do English, and then I think we're going to take the dog for a walk. But I'm going to get some jobs done first before we do that. So yeah. So I just wanted to ask as well, what are you doing that's keeping you busy? Like, I don't know, are you a mum? Are you not a mum? What is it that you're doing that's, I mean, I need some ideas. I'm trying to just get on with life. This kind of reminds me of when I had Isabella. So when I had Isabella, all we did was we went to generally the park once a day or the shop once a day, and then we stayed in a lot of the time because I was a new mum, she was a baby. I didn't work. So yeah, it just reminds me so much of them times when I literally went out once a day anyway, and I was stuck indoors all the time anyway. I mean, I don't know if anyone relates when you had your first baby, but yeah, that's exactly how it feels at the moment. Although this time I've got obviously 2 children, and over the last few years I've made it sort of like they've been busy. I make it busy for them, and now obviously we're all stopped. So yeah, look at my hallway, absolute mess. What a surprise. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly show you as well a couple of things that I just got. Well, I didn't just get them, I got them just before we went on lockdown actually, in Home Bargains, but I'll quickly show you now. Nothing special, mind you, but I love them. I thought they were absolutely amazing. So I wanted to quickly show you these. I got these literally about a week before we got put on lockdown, and they're just like a basket, baby blue basket with the white rope, and I absolutely love them. They were a pack of 2 for $4.99, and honestly they are amazing. I know it sounds so silly because I'm talking about baskets, but or storage, but I literally love stuff like this. I mean, if you know, you know, like if you are a mum who loves a bit of good looking storage, then this is the sort of clip for you. But yeah, I think I've gone nuts. But anyway, yeah, these are absolutely beautiful, and I just thought they would look really nice in Harrison's room. So I got those. They're $4.99 in Home Bargains, just to let you know if I haven't already said that. And I also got some white ones for the bathroom, exact same time when I bought that, them ones. So I'm going to quickly show you what I've done with them. Nothing special. So I've got this one for my toilet roll. No, I'm not a toilet roll hoarder. This is because I have 2 bathrooms, so I have toilet roll up here and toilet roll downstairs. I've always bought toilet roll in quite a lot, so just so you know, didn't stockpile this. But yeah, if you look, I absolutely love this. And the white, I just thought the white would be nice in here because of the grey tiles on the floor, because I wanted this one, the bigger one, for the toilet roll. And then over here, I've just put that for the toys for the bath. I just thought it's something easy to put it all in, all the stuff in, all the toys in, sorry, and they're easy to go back in, and they look nice and neat-ish sitting there. So that's what I've done there. But yeah, I really like them. $4.99 for a pack of 2, and they're really, really nice. So I'm loving them. I also need some tips from up here. This is what I've just done to organise. I mean, these came from the previous house, and literally when I say the reason they're all like that is because we packed them like that and chucked them back there as soon as we moved in. So we soon moved in, put them there. Now this gets a big mess. I mean, I've just actually done a cleaning video, which I think, I'm not sure if this one's going to go live first or the cleaning video, but anyway, you'll see that there's a lot of mess on there before this. But basically, this here usually gets filled with crap. And my sister had one of these sort of ledges in one of her houses, and literally it used to get filled with crap. And I used to think, God, how do you deal with that? So I don't like this, all this crowded on top of here. I want a different storage, and I just want an idea. I mean, has anyone got any recommendations, suggestions, or anything that I can put here that doesn't block the window too much, but makes it neat and tidy? Leave your suggestions in the comments for any ideas I have to put there. That'd be brilliant.
When you're heading down,
that feels so much better. It's all tidy. Quite happy with that. Good job done.
So I've just been editing yesterday's video, which I think this video is going to go up before yesterday's video, because that one was a cleaning video and I kind of wanted to save that for Sunday. Not sure yet. But anyway, so I'm just editing for a little while. I was just editing for about an hour. Now we're going to go on our daily exercise, daily walk. We're going to take the dog for a walk, and yeah, we're really appreciating that at the minute. Get some fresh air. We sort of get everything done in the day, and then we sort of go just before dinner, and then we come back, have dinner, and then start chilling out for the night. So yeah, let's go for a walk.
Right, coats and shoes on. Coats and shoes on. Hello. Where's your coat, Harrison?
Upstairs.
Upstairs. We're going to take the dog for a walk.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And my turtle.
And you need socks as well.
And shoes.
And shoes.
Can I bring my scooter?
Yep.
And get my ball and
Stuff into my rug.
teddy. Something.
You're going to bring your ball and your teddy. We're going to play catch.
Again.
Yeah. We're going to go and catch the teddy.
Yeah.
Do catching the teddies.
Yeah.
Right, let me get your coat.
My coat. That one's like short guy.
Yeah.
Cheetahs. Oh.
Right, we need to get socks and shoes on as well,
That
don't we?
one say cheetahs.
It says cheetahs.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, what's the matter with your coat? It's all inside out, silly. Oh, sorry, Papa.
Yeah.
Sorry. Oh, quick.
We're not going on holiday.
No, we're not going on holiday.
Okay.
We're going on holiday soon.
Yeah, soon.
Soon.
Yeah,
We're going to go to the beach. And we do all of that, yeah? We're going on a boat. What do you think?
And holiday.
And holiday? That is holiday. We can pack our suitcases. Right, I need to get socks on for you and shoes.
Oh, Susan.
Away from the road. So we're out in the fresh air now. We're taking that fresh air. Kids are arguing, if you can hear them. Harrison don't want Isabella to go faster, apparently. She's on a scooter. He's really controlling. Isn't he, Isabella? Controlling. He's very controlling. Tells us what to do. Yesterday, he wouldn't let anyone else kick the ball apart from him. Apparently, he said, I don't like sharing. So maybe that's a lesson I need to teach him while he's away from nursery. But yeah, let's take this dog for a walk. Taking the scenery. Yeah, inside that I'm living on. So around our house is over there, which when I get to the top of the hill, I'll show you. But this is what we deal with every day, because it's obviously a development, and them houses have been halted, so them houses are not getting built anymore at the minute because of the lockdown. So yeah, that's our development, and our house is over there somewhere. Ready, steady, go!
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my
So, back now from the walk, cooked dinner, had dinner, now I just got to clear up because I haven't cleared up yet, but I thought that I would end the vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you liked our race, give it a thumbs up because I highly enjoyed that for a race with the kids. I can be quite competitive, you know, children or no children, they've got to learn that they've got to beat mummy. So yeah, had a lot of fun today in the circumstances, as much fun as we could have had anyway, so it's been a good day for us. I hope that you are all well and you're all staying safe, and yeah, just I hope that my vlogs can cheer you up in some way, because I know that I'm watching videos that cheer me up. So I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did enjoy this video at any point, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you're notified when I next upload a video. And I've got another video coming on Sunday, so keep your eyes peeled for that. See you in my next video. Bye.